who has been appointed as a brand ambassador of My 11 Circle. Mohammad Siraj, who has addressed the 51st Conference of Governors and Lieutenant Governors at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. Ramnath Kovind. Which company has decided to separate the consumer health business and to create a new public traded company? Johnson and Johnson, who has become the 72nd Grandmaster of India. Mitrabha Guha. Sri Hardeep Singh Puri unveils the statue of Maharani Lakshmibai in Maharani Lakshmibai College for Women at which place? Hisar, Haryana. Which state government has launched a road safety initiative to train first responders of road accidents? Odisha. Clean Green Village Week has been observed under which scheme? MGNREGS. Which actor has been appointed as a brand ambassador of Amway India? Amitabh Bachchan. Which state government has launched a new scheme named Shramik Mitra Scheme? Delhi. Rajesh Srivastava has been appointed as CEO of which bank? Standard Chartered Securities. F.W. Frederick William de Klerk, who passed away, has received the Nobel Prize in which field? Peace. The National Achievement Survey is conducted once in how many years? Three years. NPCI Bharat Bill Pay Limited has tied up with which insurance company to provide its marquee offerings, Bill Pay, to the insurer customers? CICI Prudential Life Insurance. Which IPS officer has been appointed as the chief of CISF? Shilvardhan Singh. Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award will be given to how many sports persons? Well,